What is up, everyone? I had to do a quick video right here, but oh my god, I'm so stupid. Let me just restart. Wait, and what is up, everyone? It is Rocco right here, and today we are going to do a short video of me and my Nerf guns. So, let's get into the video because this has to be quick, otherwise I will run out of storage, okay, on my phone. So, first gun, this little pistol. Pull back. The only thing I hate about it, you have to turn this thing. Zombie strike. Pretty bad. I actually know it's actually pretty good. It's modified. It like shoots pretty fast and so it's pretty bad. The only thing, if you get like small bullets and you put them in there, it's hard to get them out. Next gun. This. Little pull back. Fire. This one is broken right here, so that sounds, it's like really cheap. So that's why what I had. Next gun. I really like this one. It's like modified. It has like this stuff. It's like has that. This stuff. This thing, which is actually pretty cool. Oh, okay, so I don't have any more time yet, but I can't really play it. Yeah. Next one. My X-Shot. I do like it with this off, but you can attach it. You can attach this. You can attach this. You can attach this to make it even longer. You can even attach this. It's like a stand. Crap. Oh. Okay. Yeah, that's good. You can attach this scope right here. That's pretty good. Yep. I just have my time of actually doing this. You guys are wasting my time. You can have this. Well, actually, this is one of the guns that I love because I like put sticky tape on it. The only thing I hate is this bit. Like, you can take that off, and then I have like a blade here. Okay. And then memories. Me and my dad made this sword. It's actually pretty good. Yeah. So, bye. Wait, do I still have a little bit of time? What else things can I show you? It's like a metal ball. It's like a metal thing. Oh my god. I shall make a ball of life. You can actually put your hand in here. I got this for my birthday. Oh my god, so if someone knows how to use this, please tell me. I lost a tooth. Really gross. It's very growing. Like, see what's growing underneath it. Like, I lost it just yesterday. Okay, and with this my pullback zombie strike, it does come with a holder. So you can go like yeah. Yeah. So that's all I can show you. And oh wait, one more thing. My pillow. Okay, that is all for today. So bye.